What's up, people? Just want to make a quick video. It's middle of summer. Everybody's kind of cutting the grass, servicing the mowers, doing all that stuff. Real quick, just had a fun adventure um, servicing my Cub Cadet. Got a 42-inch Enduro series LT1. Looks like it's the 547cc engine. Uh, so servicing this thing. Apparently, a couple of different ways you can buy the products needed for servicing. Um, First two go arounds, I decided to go through Amazon, just typing in the model of the mower and ordered, you know, air filter. Ordered the spark plugs, fuel filter, and then the oil. And thinking, hey, that's it, right? So first go around, apparently there's multiple engine styles with your Cub Cadet, right? There's a foreign engine and then there's an American engine. I'm not a big, mechanic engine guy, so you have to do some research on yours to figure out which one you get. But then also on the mower, it gives you information about what type of engine you have as well. So that's something you want to make sure you follow along as well. Um, but nonetheless, ended up doing it. Got the wrong spark plug, got the wrong type of filter. It was obvious the filter was flat. This filter uh, is round, right? Um, or in a kind of a sphere shape. Um, and also the fuel filter was different as well, which was weird. Um, so didn't use that one. Ordered another one. The filter this time was in a sphere, but it was bigger. The oil filter was twice the size as well. Um, and some of the parts fit, some of the parts didn't. Uh, the spark plug was just enough size to fit. I figured, hey, it must be the right spark plug as well. Plug that in, put everything in, um, ran the mower for about 10 minutes, then it started shutting off, cranking up, shutting off, cranking up, shutting off. It's kind of weird, right? And the mower here, only about 40, I want to say it's about 46, 46 minutes or whatever of usage. So it's not really been used a whole lot. I've had this thing for maybe a year, about going on 2 years now. So not a whole lot of usage on it. So it was kind of weird. So I went on all the websites, went on YouTube, Google, everywhere, just trying to find anybody that's had experience with this mower, especially a newer one. Most of the reviews and servicing uh, reviews on this thing were for older models. None of the parts matched up. So here's what I ended up doing. I ended up going to the Cub Cadet website, just plugging in the model number of the machine, and it ended up giving me what I needed. Right. So plugging in the information from the machine. Hold on once. Basically, on the inside of the hood, it'll give you the specifics on the model and the part numbers for each piece that you need. So I went on the Cub Cadet website, got the model numbers piece by piece. Then I went to Amazon and ordered each piece individually, which ended up doing the trick, right? So it turns out that the spark plug used for this model is unlike any of the others, as well as the filter, as well as the oil filter and the fuel filter. Nonetheless, got it going. It's working good. So just kind of use that quick tip and trick. If you're going to do your own servicing, just get the model number, the engine type, and all the product numbers individually for this thing. Then order your parts, and you should be good from there. So on to the next figure. I just upload a quick little video of my adventures for the summer. Oh, mind you, it's about 99 degrees out here as well. So South Georgia for you. All right, on to the next one. See you next time. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I don't care. Talk to you next one.